Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can cancel your subscription with Clarity Check. In order to do so, here we are at google.com, because if you search here with Google, you're going to find right here the canceling your subscription option. So if we click on that, that's going to take us to this page here. It's going to redirect us to claritycheck.com/help/canceling-your-subscription. So to cancel your subscription, feel free to use the cancellation hub. You're going to log in using your email address and confirmation code. Proceed with the cancellation option. When you cancel a subscription, you'll still be able to use your subscription for the time you've already paid. And if you have any help, if you need any help or require any assistance, feel free to reach out to the support team at help@claritycheck.com. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business and offers tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra. It'll give you everything you need to know to maximize Cintra's potential. And if you click on the link in the link tree, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank, and personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.